Hello, my name is Pedro Infante. This is my partner Jaime Chavez. Today we will be discussing skeletal muscle structure and function. The skeletal muscle is composed of several kinds of tissue, which include nerve tissue, blood, and various types of connective tissue. There are three separate layers of connective tissue that exist in the skeletal muscle. The outermost layer that surrounds the entire muscle is called epimysium. It's not labeled on this photo, but it'll be where that red arrow is at. Then we have the perimysium, which surrounds the bundles of muscle fibers. And these individual bundles of muscle fibers are called fascicle. Each muscle fiber within the fasciculus is surrounded by a connective tissue called the endomysium. And if you can see right there where it says muscle fiber, this is where the sacroplasmic reticulum is located. In this picture, we can see the relationships between the myofibrous, transverse tubules, sacroplasmic reticulum, and the terminal cisternae. The myofibrils are composed of two major types of protein filaments. The first being myosin, which is a thick part, and then actin, which is a thin filament. Myofibrils can further be divided into individual segments called sarcomeres. Sarcomeres are divided from each other by a thin sheet of proteins called a Z-line. Myosin filaments are located within the dark portion of the sarcomere, which is called the A-band. Actin fills the light portions and is called the I-band. The sacroplasmic reticulum is important because this is where calcium is stored and is required to trigger a muscular contraction. In this photo, we see the neuromuscular junction. We can see that the motor neuron and the muscle fiber do not make physical contact, but is instead separated by a gap called the synaptic cleft. When the impulse reaches the motor neuron, acetylcholine is released and diffuses across the synaptic cleft to bind receptors. This results in the opening of sodium channels on the sacrolemma, allowing sodium to diffuse into the muscular fiber. The entry of sodium results in depolarization called the end plate potential. This is what enables the process of contraction.
Hello, my name is Jaime Chavez. A deeper look into Chapter 8 will show us how muscular contraction occurs. After the calcium is released by the ryanode receptors, it binds to a protein called troponin. This mechanism is a trigger to begin the muscular contraction event. Then, a shift of position of the triple myosin occurs so that the myosin sites on actin are exposed. The myosin heads then bind to the actin and form a cross bridge. The phosphate ion is then released from the myosin head, causing a conformational change. Following the myosin head, cocks into position, causing the muscular filaments to slide and release ADP. Lastly, a new ATP binds to the myosin head, allowing it to release from the actin. Because these are microevents, these events must happen multiple times in order for contraction to occur. Muscular fatigue occurs for several reasons, ranging from decreased calcium, increases in phosphate ions, hydrogen ions, and free radicals. Thank you.